Okay, on this one, they want you to now create the sprites. So drop that platform down, right? No big deal. To do this, do this. We have our worksheets, or you should at least. I gave them to you yesterday. You're going to create the sprites in Create Sprites. To do this, you create the sprite, drop it in, and the variable, we're adding the platform, right? So check our animation. It's called platform. So type in platform. Maybe. Platform. Oh, we didn't set the animation. Duh. Okay, so the name is platform, and we need to set the animation to platform. Alright, let's reset. There it is. Okay. On the little video, they have the platform on the left side. So that would be X is going across. So maybe try 100. See what that does. 100. That looks pretty good. And then we want it up here. That's Y. So we'll set that to 0. Let's reset it. Cool, there it is, right? So now we want it to fall. And falling is movement, which is what? That's right, velocity. So let's get our math. Now find our velocity. And remember, it's Y because we want it to drop down. Up and down is Y. So velocity, platform, velocity Y equals, I don't know, 5. Let's check it out. That looks pretty good. That's pretty fast though. Maybe 3. Compare that to this one. Oh, that one's still going faster. Alright, let's try 2. Yeah, that seems more reasonable. Alright, good deal. Good to do. Alright, on this one, they want you to drop that platform, and then once it hits the bottom, start it back up again. Right? So they just want you to create a new function. So let's go to the bottom and let's create a new function. And they want you to call the function loop platforms. Loop platforms. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in here. Why is it not giving me an option? I'll just hit Control V instead. Control V. Alright, it's called loop platforms. And we want our function to have an if-then statement. Right? If. So we want to say, if the platform goes below this, which is 400, right? Because our box is 400 by 400. So if the platform Y, because it's going up and down, if the platform Y is greater than 400, right? Because right here is 400. If platform Y is greater than 400, we want it to is our variable. We love it so much. We want platform Y to reset to 0, right? Because there's 0, here's 400. 0. Alright, so now we've made our function called loop platforms. Now we need to put our loop platforms function into our actual main function, the draw, right? Update the sprite, so this is where it's going to be, right here. So this is where we drop in our function. Loop platforms. Alright, let's see if it does it. Hit 0. Yep, there it goes. Cool. Do. Alright, this one they just want you to drop in a second platform, right? So to do that, it's really easy because we already have the first one done, right? Here it is. Platform. So we're just going to go show text. And we're just going to rip this off straight up. Copy. And paste. Right? So we're going to show the blocks. Okay, this one is platform, the first one. We're going to call this one platform 2. Right? Platform 2. Platform 2. Platform 2. Right, it all has to match up. But we're going to keep this platform the same, right? Because we're using the same exact animation. Yeah? Oh, and then we got to place it. Let's try 300. Cool. Alright, next part. Okay, so now we need to add the second platform to make it spawn again after it goes off the edge. So to do that, we're just going to copy this. So show text. Copy. And then show those blocks. Oh, got some junk in there. Okay, we're going to call this platform 2 because it's platform 2. And same with this one. Alright, let's run it now. Now this one should loop in the function when it hits the bottom. And it does. Cool. Okay, last thing we want to do, maybe have these fall at different times. That way they're not at the same time. To do that, we're just going to have the platforms spawn at different times. So right here, the X is 100, so that's like right around here. And this one, the X is around 300. This one starting at 0, which is here. We'll have this one start like up here somewhere, so that's going to be a negative number. Let's try it. That's cool. It's going to be tough to jump in between there, though. Let's try 200. So the guy's jumping around, flying. Yeah, that seems easier or better, whatever. Cool. Done deal. Alright, this one they want you to add a star that's going to drop. Alright? So all we're doing is basically redoing this, but with a star instead of a platform, and then they want you to change the positions to random numbers, right? So basically it's the exact same thing. So what we do is get our variable. We're going to create the sprite, and it's called the star. Here's the star. Star. And they want the random number in here, right? The randos. Okay. They want the random numbers for X to be, X position is a random number between 50 and 350. So 50 and 350. And then the Y position between negative 30 and negative 60. So drop that in there. Yeah. How do I get to that? Let's go to the text. Make it easy. How do I slide that over? Negative 30 and negative 60. Negative 60. Alright, now let's go back to show blocks. Alright, now we need to set the animation. Set the animation. It's a star. Star. Let's run it. And what is going on? Okay. Why is this not working? Oh, because there's no velocity. I have to add the velocity of it dropping, right? So here it is. Velocity star. And that other one was 2, so let's go 3. Hey, there it is. It's working. Far out. Do-do-do.